Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about UiPath, which is a very nice robotic process automation software, mainly made for enterprises. So we are going to talk what it actually is. If you are concerned, also we'll check the UiPath free and also the pricing that they are offering. So what is UiPath? UiPath is a cloud-based robotic process automation software solution that is developed specifically for government, organization, and businesses to design and manage an unattended automated function to simplify front office work activities. This tool, with advanced analytics, enables users to connect their team's system applications, track performance, and create customized reports. UiPath software produces the most precise, futuristic, and easy-to-use solutions to automate monotonous office tasks, irrespective of their complexity. Furthermore, it studies and approves data from and between any system, document, and application, automating even most complicated workflows with adequate accuracy. The software enables users to save multiple licenses in one combined database that aids future reference. This platform comprises a studio module that enables users to design workflows by deploying several technical languages. This artificial intelligence-enabled suite features a robot that can effectively operate on various legacy systems, including mainframe desktop, Citrix, SAP, and much more. So, as I said before, it's made mainly for large enterprises. You can run it on your mobile phone, and also you can install it into your Windows computer. They are established at New York, and when we are checking the pricings, we see that automation developer is for $420 a month, unattended automation or automation team, but mostly the pricing model is custom. So you have to ask them to contact sales with giving them your name, your ID, your basically phone number, as you can see, the region that you are working, and yeah, they will have to tailor you the offer exactly for you. So you will have, you will know exact what you have to pay for what they are offering. Very nice thing about UiPath is that you have this free version of or free trial if you want for a couple of days, so you can actually decide if you want to go with UiPath. And let's start. You can also choose to basically sign in with your email. But I'm gonna go with my Gmail account that I use for the sake of tutorials. Straight away, you go with first name, last name, country, region. Let's go with Slovakia. You can get keep me informed, privacy policy details. Let's try to go without it. Let's go like this. And straight away we can create the organization. After a few seconds, our organization should be ready to work. I'm really looking forward to it, and as you can see, run your first automation right now. You can download it into your computer or upgrade it to permanent subscription. But yeah, at this point we are a default tenant. We have our sidebar on the left side, which is pretty cool and pretty normal for those kind of softwares. On the left side, you have a home button where you have basically your basics, your workspace orchestrator, which we are going to explore now. The 6-click orchestrator tour, you can start it. Yeah, there's your workspace, then manage resources, then obviously managing tenants, folders, automation processes, and also guides and search engine. So as you can see, your workspace, you can add a process, package source name, package requirements, and then the settings, jobs, triggers, my packages, and logs. That we will cover in the next videos about the UiPath. So let's not make this one too long enough, but definitely check out for the next videos about Orchestrator. Then we have a studio on the left side, which will be ready to use soon as you subscribe, obviously. Then actions. Those clicks between the paths are really taking some time, and in my opinion it will only get longer since you will add more information, more data, so it will have to go through more and more. Then apps, which I expect to be integrations. Yeah, we can build a new app which we have to integrate. Processes, that's taking quite some time to basically load everything in there. Yeah, and this is just taking too long. If your boss is behind your back, you really don't want them to wait for that long, or if you have him even worse on the line. But yeah, integration service. Here you can check all the integrations they can provide, or the connectors, and there are tons of them, as you can see. The most like the biggest names in the business: Bamboo, Google Drive, Freshservice. I saw Salesforce somewhere. Yeah, Marketing Cloud, Salesforce, Slack, and many more. MailChimp, HubSpot, Google Sheets. They have everything in there. Twilio, Zendesk. So you will have no problem of integrating UiPath with anything of value to you or your company. And if you won't be able to find the trigger in these, in like, I don't know, 30 options that they are formed here, I believe you can use Zapier for future integrations. And then document understanding, which will be, in my opinion, some kind of big sheet, and more automation ops, and also admin, which it suit like min-maxing, yeah, your accounts, your orchestrator actions, process launcher, integrator documentations. So everything that you need to tweak your UiPath around. So far, I would love to end it here, and then I'm going to create more videos about, for example, integrations, because then we'll be able to basic focus. And also you will need, you can use your search engine in YouTube to actually find exactly what you're looking for, not this 10-minute video, which is long enough as it is. So guys, if you have any questions about UiPath or how you can connect or log in, please leave the comments underneath this video and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next videos. So have a great day and thank you yet again. Goodbye.